In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack with Notion for better support and collaboration. We'll walk through the full setup, starting right inside your Slack workspace. First, open Slack and navigate to the channel where you want to use the integration. This might be a general support channel or a dedicated help desk channel. Make sure you have the right permissions in Slack before you begin. If you're not allowed to install apps, you may need an admin's help. Once you're in the channel, look near the top or side of the interface for the option to add apps to the channel. Click on Add Apps. This opens the Slack app directory inside your workspace, where you can browse and search for integrations. In the search bar, start typing the name of the app you want to connect. In this guide, we're focusing on the Notion integration. Type the name, and when you see it appear in the results, click on it to open its details page. Here, you'll see an overview of what the app can do, as well as the permissions it needs. On this page, look for the Install or Add to Slack button. Go ahead and click that. Slack may redirect you to the App Marketplace page in your browser. If you land there, you'll see another Add to Slack button. Click it again to confirm you're installing this app into your current workspace. Next, you'll be guided to connect Slack with Notion. You'll see an option like Add to Notion, or something similar on Notion's integration page. Click that to start the connection process on the Notion side. A Notion window or tab will open, asking you to confirm that you want to connect this integration to your workspace. You may see a simple confirmation step, such as an OK or Connect button. Click through these prompts. This is where Notion and Slack exchange authorization so they can talk to each other securely. After that, you'll be taken back to a Slack authorization screen. Here, you'll see a list of permissions Slack is requesting on behalf of the Notion integration, such as reading channel information or posting messages. Review these, then click Allow to proceed. Finally, Notion will ask you to allow access back into your workspace from Slack. Confirm this by clicking Allow Access. Once that's done, your Slack and Notion integration is fully connected, and you can start using it to send updates, create pages, and manage support directly from your Slack channels.